Hello, my name is Jim Mullany from SITEK Process Solutions. Today is Thursday, August 25th, 2023. I hope everyone's having a nice summer. Today I'm doing a video source inspection on a SITEK 880 spin rinse dryer with the SlickDevice state-of-the-art control systems. This video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, so we do not give the customer's name out. However, their PO number ends in 663409. This system, I'll go over the options with it. It has, this controller has the SEX-GEM interface. We have our SlickDevices are full SEX-GEM capable, and this customer purchased it with SEX-GEM. They have the DI or water reclaim loop. They should have, I think they also have the anti-static module. Yes, I saw those. Clear that. Okay, we're good. For reference, this is SRD number 01548, manufactured 7/2023. It actually was, this system is for this order is for six systems. 3 are out of SITEK stock systems we sold. The other 3 each we are refurbishing 3 of their double stacks, and they're all being upgraded with the SITEK SlickDevice. This customer also bought a multitude of the SITEK SlickDevices to upgrade all of their semi-tilt spin rinse dryers in the fab. So I will go ahead and start this, and then I can talk about the process. This customer wanted on this system to have a right-hand door hinge. A lot of them you see are on the left hand, but they wanted right-hand door. 150 millimeter wafers, load that. And this is 8-inch down. So this customer has bought 8-inch rotors and 6-inch in a combination, depending on what tools we're shipping. The first 2, I believe, were all 150 millimeter. This one is a combination of the 2. Amber means the system's ready to run process, so I'll start it. Okay. There we go. We're starting the DI process. Green means we're running process. And now we have the DI flowing on both. We have a typical SRD process in this system. It's a rinse, a purge that blows the extra DI water out of the manifold, a dry one, which is a high RPM, lower duration. It kind of slings the water off as much as possible for about 30 seconds. And then we have a longer duration, dry 2, that drops the RPM back down to about between 500 and 600, depending on the customer's spec. And we use centrifugal force, heating blankets, anti-static module, hot end 2 to dry all the substrates. System is running fantastic. I actually don't even hear it running behind me. We've got about 10 seconds on the top one and 15 on the bottom. Green is good. That means the rinse valve is open and low pressure valve is open. You can see the wafers are spinning. Same thing here. Okay, we're going into the purge. Now the LPP is on and the purge valve is on. We now ramp to 1800 RPM. There we go. As you can see, it's totally smooth. We're at 1800 RPM for dry 1. And dry 2 is at 1800 also. Very quiet. Again, this customer, we've already shipped the first 2 systems about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. This system will be created probably tomorrow. We're going to send the customer this video so they can review it like the past videos. If they have any questions, we can redo any necessary requirements they want us to do. Then we're going to start the refurbishing process on, I believe, the first of the 3 double stacks that they've sent in to us. This system at SITEK, it's a state-of-the-art particle control system. It has the SITEK SlickDevice controller. If you go on to our YouTube channel, which you'll see this video on, and Google SITEK SlickDevice, you'll see quite a lot of videos on this system of the capabilities. We do data acquisition. It's a maintenance engineer's dream. You can actuate any and all basic of the parameters, valving, water nozzles, doors, door seals, through the manual mode. We also have, you can turn the SEX-GEM on or off. What's integrated into our controller automatically is our N2 saving capability. So the customer in the N2 saver, you turn it on in the on the page. You can pick when you want it to happen. So let's say that at the end of the process, when you remove your wafers and you put on 30 seconds, after you close the door, 30 seconds later, the N2 purge will come on, and it'll turn off, and then while the tool's idle, you're saving all that money. Most customers tend to save at least close to a couple $1,000s per year on N2 savings, if not more with the high inflation we've had recently, especially on N2 costs. And this is integrated right in our controller. It's part of every system. It's not an option you have to pay for. One thing I didn't look in the back, I'm going to look in the control systems. Oh, I forgot. I can't look back there. I was going to look describe the SEX-GEM, but in the back, we have the Ethernet connection for the SEX-GEM for these systems. Dry 2 is going to be about, that's about 4.5 minutes left. So I'll talk about our support. On this spin rinse dryer, this will be an 880S. We offer every single part. New motors, new servo amps, new valves, new windows, new door seals, new control systems. Anything and everything on this system you can buy from us brand new. New rotor stop positioners. When you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, the first 3 buttons are all about the tools we offer. We offer tools that do little small, 1/4 inch pieces. We do custom cassettes for that. We go all the way up to, well, here you go. This is a 4400. That can do very large systems. This was sent in by a customer for us to refurbish for them. It's going to be probably video the next day or 2. It's going through all of its burn-in process. When we're doing a video, we don't run the other tools that are in final burn-in right now. The way our process works is our tools are built in we call it dry manufacturing area. We go through complete quality control there. We have once the tool is built, the second QC engineer reviews it. If it passes, it comes into final test. It comes into final test like this. This would be a system, just the head by itself. It goes through any DI debugging, makes sure there's no loose valves, everything works correctly on the DI side. Once it's done, it goes through approximately 50 process runs. If it's signed off by another QC engineer, it then gets packaged in this case. This is 2 systems, it's a double stack. We run all the cabling down, we put all the brand new poly on. This customer, these are all brand new poly, so it's a brand new system, it looks brand new. When I was talking about a brand new system, I was looking at the job folder. Our quality of our rebuild is so good, I couldn't tell the difference. But this is actually a refurbished system out of our stock that we did. But when we go through a refurbishment program, it looks brand new, and majority of the parts are placed all brand new. The key thing is reprocessing the bowl. We have a dedicated area. At SITEK, we own 2 buildings. We have 15,000 square feet of manufacturing here. So we have dedicated areas for our bowl reprocessing before it goes out to EP to make sure there's no contamination in it, for excellent particle control. All right, we have 1.5 minutes left. So besides the spin rinse dryers on wet processing, we do 2 other product lines. One is the Integris Flora box washers. We offer full support, rebuilds, spare parts, everything and anything on that system. We were just out at a customer's site last week doing a refurbishment of theirs at their site. We just received an order for another customer on the East Coast. We're going to go out probably in a couple weeks and have 2 of our service engineers go out there and spend 3 to 5 days and do a refurbishment of their in-house tool. They bought all the parts, so we will tear everything out and put it all back together. The third wet processing line is our mask and wafer scrubbers, K&S, Ultra T, and so forth. Those are single wafer processes. We always have quite a bit of those we're working on. There's probably 1 in the manufacturer, and I'll have to look, that we're building now. Okay, we have 41 seconds. We also have metrology tools, KLA 10-core particle counters, Prometrics, Nanometrics, and then we do photolithography tools. We do YES ovens. We do quite a lot of customer pump rebuilds, IDI, Cyborg, Millipore, and we offer full pump systems. Okay, at the end of the process, what's going to happen? The rotor stop positioner, which is built into the back of the machine, it's going to line up the rotor to home position, which is 12 o'clock. Once that happens, you'll hear the door release. I'll be able to open up and check for nice, warm, dry wafers. You'll also see the color of the indicator light change. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. So, on our control system, end of process, complete, successful process. It gives you all the times and elapsed time. So to clear it, blue means it's ready to be unloaded. You can either hit OK, open the door, or clear stop. For the top one, I'll just hit OK. Alrighty. After you've cleared it, it goes back to amber for ready for the next lot. This looks good. Oh, nice and warm. Wafers look great. On the bottom one, I will just open the door, make life easy. As you see, I open the door and it opens it. If there was a problem, we would have unsuccessful run up here. It would tell you that. When you then clicked or open the door, this alarm button would be on. When you push this alarm button, it would go into alarm screen and tell you what was wrong. You can see there's no alarms on now, but we monitor all the critical parts and we'll notify you at the end of the process if there's an issue. Okay, let's take out the 8-inch wafers. Look great, nice and warm. Bowl looks great. Put those back. Alrighty, so that will conclude this very short prior to ship video of a SITEK 880S spin-rinse dryer with the state-of-the-art SlickDevice controllers. Again, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is Thursday, August 25th, 2023. I hope everyone has a nice what's left of their summer. Thank you.